Hello, welcome to Coco Kitchen. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make chicken parmesan, one of the most exciting chicken dishes anywhere on the planet.
Half a cup of all-purpose flour. Crack 2 eggs into this bowl and beat them well. If you want to coat the chicken evenly, for me it's boring if the chicken surface is only covered in breadcrumbs. I upgraded it by adding half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and Parmesan cheese, then mix them up. Now before you get started, make sure to dry off those chicken breasts with a paper towel. Otherwise, your breadcrumbs are gonna get all clumpy. Chicken breasts are too thick, so we need to cut them in half. When you're cutting them in half, be careful with your hands. Remember to clean your cutting board. This can help reduce the risk of bacterial infection on its surface. Start by laying a sheet of plastic wrap on the cutting board. Place the chicken breast on top of the plastic wrap and cover it with another sheet of plastic wrap. Use the bottom of a frying pan to flatten the chicken breast, which will increase its surface area and help it cook more evenly. Lastly, don't forget to season both sides with salt and pepper. Alright, let's preheat the oven first. Set the oven with the bake function with convection. Preheat at 450 for 5 minutes. Lay the chicken into the flour. Make sure you lightly dust the chicken with flour and just shake off the excess flour. Next, into the egg wash. Submerge that down and let it disappear under the egg. It's gonna be the glue that holds all this deliciousness together. Take your chicken out, give it a little shake, and then straight into your breadcrumbs. Roll it around, and the secret here is to make sure that you cover all the little pieces of exposed chicken. You really want it to absorb and hold as much as possible. When using the convection baking function, it is recommended to place the baking tray on the middle rack and follow the suggested instructions. Bake at 450 degrees for 10 minutes until it turns golden brown and crispy. After the first round of baking, take out the baking tray and add tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella on top of the chicken. Bake it again for another 8 minutes. Let's chop up some parsley to add flavor. I like to serve chicken parmesan with pasta.
Alright, I hope you can learn something today. See you next time. Bye bye.